solid? Do you all feel that? Mashallah, everyone is delivering so nicely and their speech are very enlightening. Now this is the time for me to call, and it's my pleasure to introduce a truly inspiring individual, Pritpal Singh Chaggar. Pritpal is a distinguished entrepreneur and humanitarian who embodies the spirit of service above self. He has played a vital role in funding essential wellness projects at Heartland Credit View Community and Health Services. Please join me in welcoming Pritpal Singh Chaggar.
Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. कहो नानक कोई खोए भरम एक को अल्लाह पार ब्रह्म. A true guru removes the illusions. Allah of the Muslim, Par Brahm of the Hindus. That is, God is one. Today, we are gathering over here for the Imam Hussain Day. It is my pleasure, and I had a chance to discover more and more because I was not knowing before. There might be something wrong. Please forgive me because I don't know where I do have to belong. Before I start my thing, you know, in this gathering, there's one guy sitting over there. And why I say he's sitting over there and I want to name his name, because he is working service of self. मेरे दो केस थे, दोनों केसों के पास पैसा नहीं था. आलम साहब ने उनका केस फ्री कर दिया. वो आज यहाँ बैठे हैं, मैं उनका बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार करता हूँ और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब उनको देखता हूँ. So anyway, so throughout human history, we have seen a continuous struggle between right and wrong, and with the force of good and evil ever present. Yet, the government has limited this struggle quite like the battle of Karbala and the sacrifice of Imam Hussain and his companions, which took place in 680. This not only shaped the course of Islamic history, but also served as a timeless symbol of resistance against tyranny or injustice. To understand the significance of Karbala, we must first look at the potential of context of time. Following the death of Prophet Muhammad, the Muslim community faced deep divisions over leadership. Imam Hussain, the grandson of the Prophet, stood for the values of justice, equality, and moral integrity. In a time when the Umayyad Khilafat was becoming increasingly tyrannical under Yazid rule, Hussain refused to pledge allegiance to a leader who believed it corrupt and unjust. On the 10th of Muharram, known as Ashura, Imam Hussain and his small group of supporters were encircled by Yazid's vast army in the desert of Karbala. Despite being significantly outnumbered, Hussain stood resolute in his principle, highlighting the importance of resistance, oppression, even at the face of certain death. The battle was not just a fight for political powers, it was a struggle for moral authority and human dignity. The tragedy of Karbala cultivated the martyrdom of Hussain and many of his companions, including family members. Their bravery and unwavering faith resonate deeply within the hearts of millions around the world. The message of Karbala is one of sacrifice, love, and a steadfast commitment to justice. Hussein's stands become a rallying cry for those oppressed throughout history, inspiring countless movements for justice and human rights. The legacy of Imam Hussain transcends both time and geography. His sacrifice serves as a powerful reminder that standing up against injustice is a moral imperative. The values he championed, courage, compassion, and commitment to justice, remain an element today as they were in 7th century. Each year, millions commemorate Ashura not just as a day of mourning, but as a call to action against oppression. In diverse cultures, Hussein's story has emerged as a universal symbol of resistance. His teachings inspire us to speak out against injustice, protect the vulnerables, and remain steadfast in our belief, even in the face of overwhelming odds. In conclusion, the story of Karbala and Imam Hussain is a powerful reminder of the strength of the human spirit in the fight of justice, and we reflect on this significant event. Let's carry forward Hussein's legacy in our lives, striving for a world where justice, compassion, and integrity prevail. And now I would like to talk to you regarding something about Imam Hussain and Sikhism. And I will ask you if it is true and you are true Hussaini. When I will say something, you say Hussaini. So जो सच बोले वो हुसैनी है, जो जालिम के सामने खड़ा हो जाए हुसैनी है। और मैं आपको बताऊं, जो ये कहे कि सूरा सो पहचानिए, जो लड़े दीन के हेत पुरजा पुरजा कट मरे, कभी न छोड़े खेत, वो जिस मरने ते जग डरे, जिस मरने ते जग डरे, मेरे मन अनंत मरने ते पाइए पुर परमानंद, वो हुसैनी है। सो इसलिए मैं आपसे बहुत आनंदित हुआ। I am very thankful to you. You have given me time, and with this, I am very thankful to you that I had a time to study Imam Hussain, whatever I could. If there is any mistake, please forgive me. Thank you very much.
बहुत पढ़ा आपने, और मैं इमाम हुसैन का एक कोट सबको बताना चाहूँगी कि सबसे अहम ये है कि अकेले खड़े हों, चाहे आपको अकेले ही खड़े क्यों ना होना पड़े। तो David Stewart. Sayyid Kambar Rizvi.